The Imagery team has made 10.1 smarter and faster. I'm just going to show you a few examples how this is making it easier to work with imagery on the desktop, server, and the web for image processing, exploitation, and dissemination. 10.1 makes better use of all image information. This GOI image over the Las Vegas airport just looks good when you open it. I want to explore and show you how fast. We're going to head on up to the Las Vegas Strip. Now that's pretty fast. There's the Stratosphere, one of the tallest structures in Las Vegas. Now, I've zoomed in a bit too much, and it's blurry. We're introducing the concept of image processing templates that know how to build products from the raw image data and other information. I'm going to choose Pan Sharpen because it's going to give me the high resolution of the panchromatic and the color of the multispectral. Drag and drop. Okay, did you get that? That was drag and drop, pan sharpened, and orthorectified on the fly. Okay, now the perspective on the building doesn't look quite right. But the system knows how to automatically rotate the image and provide me with a more intuitive view. This is as simple as checking top up. 10.1 has a new set of mensuration tools which allow me to take accurate height measurements off of imagery. This is possible because the tools can utilize sensor information like sun angle and acquisition time. This tool measures using a shadow. I simply select the top of the structure to the tip of the shadow. With all this image information, working with an image in desktop is easy. But it's not just about image exploitation and analysis. Managing collections of imagery gets easier too. Here I'm working with a single image, but mosaic data sets allow me to work with collections of images as if they were a single image. I'm going to build a mosaic. Now, a smarter system enables simpler choices. In this case, to build my mosaic, all I have to do is select how I want it to look. In this case, I'll choose natural color, and point it to my folder containing images. My folder contains about 15 images, and there it goes, and looks pretty good. Now, because these images were collected on different dates, you can see there's color differences. 10.1 has an improved color balancing tool. I'm going to run it, select my mosaic, and go. The color balancing tool is just one of the many new and improved tools at 10.1. That was pretty fast, too. Okay, my mosaic looks good, and I want to create a web service and disseminate this imagery to my community. I'll simply select my mosaic and use Share as Image service. I'll take some initial defaults. Now, I want to make sure that members of my community can both measure on this imagery and download the individual scenes. Next, I just need to provide a simple summary and choose some search tags. Finally, I want to make sure members of my ArcGIS online groups can easily find this imagery, so I'll enable that. And publish. Publishing an image service in 10.1 is pretty easy. There we go. All right. But sharing imagery is only valuable when we have a platform for collaboration. When I think of collaboration, I think of the web. Image services are more than cache maps. They provide rich content for web application. This is a focused web application that can take measurements off that Las Vegas image service to keep a GIS layer current. And it's really simple. I simply select my mensuration tool. In this case, I'll do base to top, measure up the side of a building. Once I have my building height, I simply select the building footprint, assign a building height, and calculate approximate number of floors. As you can see, with 10.1, you can get more value from your imagery because desktop is easy, sharing is easy, and working on the web is easy.